let's just jump into the market sell-off. As you could see, I am wearing red to celebrate. Uh, what are your thoughts?
What
What's
does my
going on?
brown mean? It's like let's
That
not get
yeah. Speaking of being canceled, uh, what are your thoughts? What's going on?
I mean, at a macro level, I have no idea. There might be concerns about war with Iran. Who knows what the market sort of like latches onto at any given moment or on any given day. But it's definitely not fun to watch your portfolio go down 5, 10% in a day or a week or whatever. Because regardless of the size of your portfolio, whether you have $1,000, $1 million, or $1 billion, when it goes down 10%, the psychological effect of that are so freaking real because you're like, if my portfolio goes down 10% in 1 week, it's easy to extrapolate that, oh my God, if I had, you know, let's say you had $1,000 and it goes down by $100. Well, if it goes down that much, 10 times, you're down to zero. So it's easy for us, to look at the negative and extrapolate and be super concerned. And of course, who isn't concerned when things go down, 5, 10%? It's natural human behavior, and we always seek for an explanation. But what I find super interesting is that when it goes up 5 or 10%, we're never like, why did it go up 5 or 10
Yeah,
percent? It's just that never happens in reverse. So um, it's uh, it's difficult to be consistent. It's difficult to sort of like have a tempered attitude towards the ups and downs. Um, Much easier to have a tempered attitude towards the ups than the downs. But yeah, here we are though. It's an interesting day for sure. What are your
yeah.
thoughts?
I agree. We always try to figure out why the market's moving the way it does or is, especially when it's going down. And normally I try my best to disregard that because it normally, like, we try to find the reason. It doesn't mean it is the reason. There
Right,
are certain examples where there is a very specific reason, like COVID's a great example.
right.
Um, but like today, it seems like the thought is maybe AMD's earnings caused some panic selling, and they beat on earnings, but I think there was like a one-time China windfall where it kind of pumped up the earnings more than
Mm.
what the expectations were. So, like, is that really the reason? I don't know. Is this the beginning of a bubble starting to pop? Probably not. Uh, but as you know, I started my investing journey with crypto, which is extremely volatile. So this feels like home to me. I'm very it's not fun.
The
I'm
volatility is you're
yes,
normalized to it, so it's
correct.
not bothering you.
Correct. So like I'm not bothered by it. I rather see my portfolio go up than down, but I try to view this as more of a buying opportunity and a flash sale. And it doesn't mean I'm buying things at the best prices. Like I bought iron today at around $47. I think right now it's $44. So like, things are continuing to drop, but I'm happy to, have opportunities to get in here. So that's kind of my overall view.